everyone, Chef Anna here again. Today we're back with another recipe demo. We're going to be showing you how to make our turkey cranberry melt. In your curbside meal pickup, you should have received a container with the following: 2 slices of turkey, 1 slice of turkey bacon, some shredded cheddar cheese, a cup of our cranberry mayo, and 2 slices of whole grain flatbread. Some additional items you're going to need are a baking sheet, some parchment or some nonstick spray, a spoon or a spatula to spread your cranberry mayo with, and an oven preheated to 350 degrees. Now that we have everything we need, let's get started. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is I have our cranberry mayo here. We are going to take our spoon, we're going to spread some of that across the bottom of our flatbread here. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I like to take about half my cheese and sprinkle that on top of my cranberry mayo. Then we're going to take, we've got 2 slices of turkey bacon, 2 slices of turkey here. We're going to fold them over and lay them on the flatbread just like so. And then I'm going to take my turkey bacon, lay it right across the top there. And then I'm going to take what's left of my cheese here and just sprinkle that on top there. We have nice melty cheese on both sides of our melt here. And then this is totally up to you. If you like a little cranberry, you can just do cranberry on the bottom. I like a lot of cranberry. So I'm going to take the rest of my cranberry mayo and I'm going to spread that on the top section of my flatbread here. And then we're just going to lay this right across the top, just like that. Okay? So now we're ready to go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. We want to make sure that everything's nice and crispy, everything's melted. I like to bring mine out halfway through and take a spatula and give it a little bit of a press. That helps melt the cheese and make it more like a panini kind of. So I'll see you back in a minute. And here it is, our turkey cranberry melt fresh out of the oven. If you like the edges a little bit crispier, you can leave it in the oven a little bit longer, or if you don't like the edges quite as crispy, you can take it out. That's totally up to you. We hope you enjoy this fun Friday feature, and all of us here at SNS are wishing you and your family a happy and healthy holidays from our kitchen to yours. See you next year.